part 2 of testing it. So we're gonna be testing part 2. The winds are kind of, I don't know if you can see it, but the winds are kind of getting a little crazy up today. And those are our flags next to our ice cream shop. There you go. Expensive flags though. But it's gonna be part 2. I just gotta go grab the spike. So I got the spikes right here. Let's go outside. Oh. Ew. Wait. I've been chilling for right here. Let me go on our driveway real quick. No, there's skip. Oh, hey. We're gonna be testing it on our driveway. Earlier we were getting some very nasty wind speeds. It's some insane. So first, practice deployment. Oh, I dropped my phone. So this is the number 1 practice. So pretty much it just stays there. You got that there blocking him. The only really spots are going upside down or right here. And already know right there are always the weakest spots. The back is like insane though. Next, spikes practice deployment. Oh, we're in some dirt. Alright, so by the way, I will show you how deep these go in. Let me show you real quick. So this is it. It goes through a hole right here and it goes down about that deep. I mean, I do have some shorter ones, but those are for like at least calm winds. This thing is pretty strong. We have some winds that started pushing me, but it stayed somehow. How? No clue. So yeah, it goes, if I want to make like extra sure it can go in that deep, I just remove it and then, yeah. So, I guess we can get it. Just put my camera down. Practice deployment. 1 spikes. Need some weakish ground. Alright, first one. Now these can bend to make it extra. Dude, that train is insanely loud. I don't know if you can hear it. But yeah, I have them bending. They can bend to make it more realistic, just like in real life. They would bend extreme. Sometimes I would do that, push it, and then put it on there. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear that, but there's like a train somewhere down there. And then second spike. Oh, let me just. Oh, it's not something. And then the next spike would go right here behind where you can't really see. Push them in the ground, and yeah. So, I'll tear off a piece of grass to show you guys, but oh my god. Oh, there goes my phone. Let's just do a leap. This is how calm the winds are. Not that bad, churchy. Oh, hold up. What's down there? But how I pretty much undeploy it is I just simply, if they're too deep and they're like this, Then what I do is I do this, pull them up a little right there, and then I just do that. Now, as you can see, it's bended from me going like that, but it's an easy fix. Just an easy fix. And where did my other one go? Here, we might have lost one. Oh, it's right there hiding. Found you. Oh, it's getting windy. My God, we got leaves flying. Alright. Last time, we almost had a freaking leaf tornado. So, around somewhere here, so cars that pull in from there don't come like in here and crush it. Because this took me at least a good hour to build. So first, I'm gonna just do that, and I guess I'll catch you up later. I don't know, unless you just want to watch. But very tiny guy right there, surviving some massive winds. Hold on, let me zoom into that. I don't think I can zoom. Holy shit. Yeah. Oh, but I have a mini heart attack. But yeah, that's it right there. Dun, 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 dun. But yeah, there's like no winds. There's sometimes massive wind gusts over. Winds are starting to pick up. I don't know if you can see in the trees, but the winds are starting to pick up. They're moving me actually. So last time I got moved a little inch at least. So we'll see how it will do. Now, if it does move, I'll move it to there for extra measures. Other than that, this thing could probably be in that piece of metal in 2 hours. I can't zoom in for some reason. I can zoom in earlier, but I can't now. Got trampoline. Nice trampoline. So that's the pink bike's not. So my main trampoline for my brother. That's for my brother. That's a bandage shed. Yeah, I'm gonna place a marker right here. So if that thing moves, you'll know it moves. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind where it is. Watching you from afar. But full house detour. Do that. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can kind of. Trying to there. What the fuck? Yeah, it's right there. Let me zoom in. I'm just joking. We ain't zoomed in. I was just right there. Did not move. As you can see, notching the leak your address or anything. But got the trees right up there. Trees right there. Those are moving. You got the ones here, and there. Our United States flag right there. Winds be getting crazy over there. Sometimes they're just flopping all over the place. You got some little bushes right there. You got trees everywhere to tell me. Oh. Where's this? Oh. It's just starting to pick up a little. It's getting a little chilly. Feels like it's -degrees. I might put it out back and then wait if you. No, just put it out back. With my twig too. Spikes. See you. Oh. Alright. So I got that. Got my marker. Yeah. Oh, and space. So I'm gonna have to find a spot that has like reddish grass. So I can plant a stick in there too. There. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Sorry for the camera being where it is. So I'll show you it when we're done. Kept cut. Whoa. It's done. There's my marker. If you couldn't tell, so if it moves, you'll know. It's in pretty darn deep. At least a good inch. I got moles. I don't know if I can. Oh my god! But yeah, soon, like an hour. Part 3 will be out soon.